how I want my... Ooh, look at that. That's cool. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I've got the Zumo XT from Garmin because, well, the TomTom really sucked. I told you guys that in the last video, and I got some comments about the Garmin Zumo XT that it's really good. So we're gonna find out. Also, as you guys can tell, we've got the Superduke GT over here, and I bought another scooter. So you guys know I made a couple videos about that Honda Lead 100 cc's, and yeah, it broke down already. First test ride, and it broke down. So yeah, that's quite a bummer. So I found this old geezer named Eddie, great guy, had a good time with him, laughing. He got some kind of disease on his back and he got paralyzed a little bit, so it's kind of dangerous for him to ride his scooter. So he sold it to me. So now I've got a Yamaha, not a Honda anymore. This is a Yamaha Cygnus X 125cc. So gonna turn that into a Smokey off-road dirt bike kind of Husqvarna thingy. So but maybe that's for another video. We'll see. Let's get back to the Superduke. And we're back at the Superduke. Well, the scooter is right over there, so it's not that far. But anyway, we're gonna unbox the Zumo, and like I said, that TomTom, it really sucked. It was a TomTom 50 Rider Edition. It's waterproof, but that's the only good thing about it. It abandoned me a couple times, and now even the battery is completely wasted. I did leave it outside in a cold garage, but still, like 4 or 5 months in a cold garage shouldn't kill a battery of a TomTom, does it? But it did. So I asked you guys what a good GPS is, and a couple of people also said, well, wait, what's going on? Where are my keys at? There we go. So a couple of you guys also said, like, you've got the KTM app and you can put your map or where you want to go onto your cell phone, and you've got that little, maybe I can show it. Let me check this out. Go to the menu, settings, KTM My Ride. I think that's the one, the KTM My Ride. And you can go to the navigation menu and you put your phone, you pair your phone with the display, but you get this, like, these arrows over here, like a little arrow left and right, and I don't really like that. I like what I like is like this. You get this big screen, and can we get another example of that? No, you get like nothing. But I mean, when you get a screen and it tells you like you have 3 lanes, you gotta be on the middle lane, you gotta be on the left lane, like really obvious where you have to go, because for some reason I always screw things up, even with a good GPS. Driving south. So I don't really like the arrows and dots and bolts, and I don't really like. Anyway, back to the box. So looky, gonna get underneath this light and put my keys over there. Yep, there we go. And let's see what we got from this dear Garmin. I think it was about 600 euros. It's like yeah, it must be the same in dollars. We're just a very expensive country. So yeah, welcome. Gonna tear that little thing off. There you go. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's just the best part. Let me do this for you. Did you feel it? That ASMR brain sound? You get satisfaction in your brain? No? Neither did I, but I could try. Decent. Well, the first thing we find in this box, paint me green and call me a pickle, is the GPS itself. It's got that big square. Probably you click it onto the handlebars. Got a little on-off button. Probably some some extra storage and things to charge. Pretty decent. And it's really light. The TomTom was a lot heavier. This is like really light. Oh yeah, and I gave the TomTom to a friend. I didn't actually destroy it or put it on fire. I gave it to my friend that's always riding behind me. So yeah, don't think that's a good idea. But anyway, we got that one. Here we go. Be gone, be gone. What else we got in the box? So I also removed the mounts of my handlebars, so I hope by God that there are some replacement inside. Ooh, this is some hard cardboard. It's stuck to it. There we go. First things first, manuals. Yeah. And I'm not a manual guy, so I don't really like manuals. Ooh, what's this? So we got the yeah, looking at the colors, this is probably the charging cable to put on your battery and to charge it like that. But of course, with the Superduke GT, you got a 12-volt socket over there, so you don't need anything internal. You can also, look at this. If you don't want to use the socket behind there, you also got a phone charger. Look at that, neato. You don't get that on the R, do you? My R family, you do not get those things on the Superduke R. Anyway, back to the bag. So this is that, and oh, this is a heavy bag. What the hell is this? Oh yeah, look, handlebar mounts. Awesome. So a good bag, a lot of mounts, a lot of different mounts. We're gonna unbox, we'll unsack that in a second, and stay. Next thing, oh look at that, that's how easy it's gonna get. Look, you take the Superduke GT, you take that hole over there, plug it in, you put the other side into your Garmin, and bada bing bada boom, you've got some voltage going into that thing. Yeah, tire wraps. Every KTM rider has to have some wraps. Oh, we got a suction cup. Suction cup for, yeah, if you want to mount it onto your tank or onto that scheme. That would be like hilarious to have it like over your... Nah, not gonna do that. There we go. This is probably just a USB-C or USB mini charger. Yup. Don't really need that. And look at that. This is like the clip that's probably gonna have to go on the back side. Gonna figure that out in a second. Put that on there. Some more tie wraps. And what's this? Yeah, probably another mount for the back side. We'll check it out later. And we got some little nuts and bolts. That's about it. So yeah, let's unwrap it. And well, here we go. That's everything that's included. So again, the suction cup, we can use that for put it straight to the battery and charge it like that. 2 brackets for behind the GPS, the extra bolts, tie rips. We got the 12-volt socket, and we got all these things excluded with the little USB mini. And I can already say that something very, very important is missing. Very important. And I'm gonna explain what is missing. This is iron. Or some kind of steel, I don't know. That is also iron. If you combine those two, and you gotta do it like, just give me a second, hold on here. Hold on, give me a second. You combine it like that. Focus, god dang it. And you put some bolts, some nuts in the back, and you screw it like that. This is iron, that is iron. It is totally gonna screw up your handlebar for sure. So what TomTom did is they gave like this rubber thingy that goes around here, so you can clamp it onto your handlebar, and it's not gonna damage the paint over here. And Garmin is. So Garmin, if you're watching this, just a small little rubber, so you can so you don't hurt your precious handlebar. Please, just a little rubber, you know. Gotta go look for an old motorcycle tire and inner tire from a bicycle maybe, and cut it to pieces to get this to not damage that. God dang it. I mean, like, It's just a piece of rubber. Note to Garmin, if you're adding that many options and things like that, just a little piece of rubber. We do care about our bikes. So to get these ones in the back a little bit tighter, I'm gonna need an 11, and I was looking in my KTM bag, which obviously does not have an 11, and I found this. So I have no idea what that's for. Can somebody please tell me in the comments why they have like this iron wire in like the original KTM bag? I have no idea. I gotta slim these down. They're a little bit too big. And there we go, power boom. So mounted that one on that bracket, and of course this is not rocket science, so you can just turn this a little bit more tight, and there you go. You can put it in the right position. Diggity diggity. So I'm not going for the wired all the way to the battery option. I'm just gonna go for the short 12-volt socket. And yeah, here we go. So we're in the cockpit of the beautiful Superduke GT, and you can already see me in the mirror. Hello. Anyway, it's already collecting a lot of dust. So is my home screen, and I'm gonna try and click this one on. Probably gonna need like second hand. No, it does not. It's already pretty solid. So yeah, now it's just a matter of how do you want your GPS to be, like up there or down there. And well, I like to have it really close to my face, so I'll get a better connection with what I'm watching. Yeah, I don't really care about my speed, but I do care where I'm going. So this one is more important. It's more to the front, and yeah, it's gonna be something like that. Now I just went inside and took a poop. Now I can't really remember where I was or what I was going to say, but anyway, let's get on the bike and start it up. Let's see if the Garmin fires as well. Yes, it does. Look at that. Now that's what I call a cockpit, or a dash, or whatever. This is a good view. Look at that. That corner is kind of disgusting. Gotta fix that first. So what's going on over here? Let's check this out. And here we go. So this is the home screen. Looks kind of decent. So I'm gonna test out track. Save travel. Your travel history will be used for My Trends. Track recorder tracks your travel history. Use the Tracks app to save tracks older than 6 months. No, I do not believe so. Oh, here we go. So it's also got an external little SD card on the back, so you can put some music on the SD card, and this is actually not that bad. You can put some music on it and stream it. So I think I am gonna connect to my Bluetooth headset with this, because well, when you're riding and you're like, this is like crappy song, you can just be like, there we go, next song. So I gotta look into that. Now the apps, what apps do we have? Bird's Eye Direct, Share Route, Smart Notifications, Fuel Settings, Tracks, Trip Planner, In Reach. I have no idea what that all is. So goddamn, this is a lot of apps. Gotta go through all of those and see what we can do with that. Now, of course, we get the volume, spoken navigation. Not really gonna mess a lot with that. Settings, yeah, updates, software. There's like a lot of stuff you can do with this thing. So really gotta check this all out. This is what the map looks like. Pretty decent. Thinks I'm somewhere in the UK. Let's see how far we can push this. Oh, here we go. That's like how I want my. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. I want to drive like that's how they travel. They spin the globe, and then I want to be going to there. Here we go. That's pretty neato. I'm really liking it so far. Volume, but big question: does it work with gloves? And yeah, here we go, my thrusty Husqvarna gloves. Let's try these. Oh yeah, look at that, very smooth to use already. And the search same like pizza. What if I want some pizza? Yeah, let's try that for a little test. Very big button, so really liking that. Now where's the P? I need to pee. There we go. Pizza. I want pizza. Yeah. Pizza. It's a QWERTY keyboard. Really like that. I want pizza. Gonna show pizza in my location. Oh. What? Avenue, London. Well, I'm actually not in London, so I'm not sure if it would have taken my recent location. That's like the top of Belgium, so I'm not really over here. But anyway, let's see where this takes me. Yeah, acquiring satellites. Now, not really sure how much satellites is going to get through my roof over here, but I'm guessing probably not. So a little thing that I don't really like, maybe you can turn it off in some way, but like for example, if I want to go to the M, I need this screen, and then there's like no E, so I've got to go back and to the other screen, and now I need like the L, so it gotta switch screens all the time, and that I don't really like that. So yeah, those big buttons are a little bit weird. It's gotta be a setting. It's gotta be a setting. I gotta find this out. And yeah, as I figured out, if I want to go somewhere now, for example, look for an address, and I want to change a country, well, it was just a setting. You can go for really big buttons or really small buttons, but I can figure with a glove, it might be a little bit weird. And right when I was like, I'm gonna connect it to the Wi-Fi and do the updates, well, this update from the map is going to take 4 hours and 45 minutes. And if I'm gonna do that update, this is also pretty, it's not that big of an update, but the other one is like 7 gigabytes big. This is 5.2, 7.3. So this is gonna take a while. Gonna disconnect this little puppy over here and gonna hook it up to my computer. This is looking, it's looking decent. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So yeah, that's the Garmin Zumo XT. Not gonna go into detail. Just mounted this little baby on the Superduke, on my 2020 Superduke GT, and can't wait to ride it. It's a little bit cold. It's also raining outside, so yeah, been pretty busy with other things. Hope you guys subscribe, like this video, helps me out a lot, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Ride safe, peace.